Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and I have a different kind of video for you today. So first I want to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, we do a lot of fitness, fashion, lifestyle, entrepreneur videos, all that good stuff. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, I have been listening to y'all feedback. I am giving you guys different content, new content, and one of the questions I have a lot is about my skin, it's about my workout routine, and just my self-care in general. So today I did partner with a new brand for my channel called Premium Jane, as well as some others, and I'm going to share with you all the details that I have been doing for the past month or so. Dolls already know I'm going to share with you absolutely everything as far as what I think about the brands, how much it costs. I'm going to find you a coupon code. So if you want to see what it is that I personally use for self-care, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so let's just jump right into it. Today, I'm going to be talking about some products and some brands that I adore and that are new to me, but I'm giving you real feedback. So the first thing up is Premium Jane. When you think of Premium Jane, what do you think? You know, what do you think? So long story short, Premium Jane is actually a company that specializes in CBD type of products. The one I'm going to be talking about today is this one. I love this. This is like a balm. They call it a salve or salve. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but just know that this thing works, okay? The first thing is, what does it do? The point of this is to soothe you and to help you relax and feel better, especially when it comes to inflammation. I wanted to pick something from the website that made sense for my daily life. And as y'all know, I am on this wellness journey. I have been on this journey for like 8 years on and off. But if you want to see more about that, look down below. I'll link you to my fitness channel. But I've been working out a lot lately. He's hilarious. I love him.
We did that.
Oh, wow, you're Cody.
Sweating? We slayed that.
Yeah, I'm working. Get into that glow. And when it comes to working out, I always feel sore afterwards. So whenever I'm doing the bike, my legs hurt on the Peloton. Whenever I do weights in the gym, my arms hurt. So I wanted something that I can use and really be able to give feedback for. So this is Premium Jane's Soothing Eucalyptus Salve or Salve. Not exactly sure how you pronounce it. I just know that I like it. So as far as what's in it, it's 750 milligrams of CBD plus 225 of CBG. And it's made of premium ingredients. Like when I say that some of the other stuff I've tried in the past after being like sore on my body, I didn't really care for the smell. I didn't care for the stickiness. I didn't care for the residue. I didn't like a lot of things about some of the products that I have on my medical cabinet right now. So I was kind of excited to try this because they have really good ingredients. I'll give you a couple of the options. They have sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, beeswax. These are all things that you know about and you can say because they're all natural. Like this company, I was attracted to it because they have quality ingredients. They are vegan. They have non-GMO formulas. Like they're legit. So that to me spoke volumes as far as the quality, and it made sense that they have the word premium in their name because it seems that they're using these premium ingredients. Now there is shea butter, which is one of the things that I'm obsessed about with this because like I mentioned on some other products I've used, they're like residuey, like sticky. I didn't feel that at all with this, and I think that has a lot to do with the shea butter because as you can see, I will put in a clip. It goes on your skin very smooth, very easy. You can massage it in. It feels like a normal oil that you can use. I adore the smell because it does have eucalyptus oil and lavender oil mixed in and a little bit of clove. So if you guys have been watching the videos on my channel, you know I adore woodsy smells and mixed with florals, and this gives me that. I didn't know a whole lot about CBD. I did a little bit of my own research. I definitely urge you to do yours whenever you start a new product, but it's not like actual marijuana. It just brings you parts of it, the CBD part. And the good news about the CBD in this particular item is that it is organic. It's grown right from Kentucky hemp. So it's made in the USA, which I always appreciate whenever I'm putting something on my skin, that it's been properly tested and it's been, you know, authenticated, like all that good stuff. So I don't worry about putting this on my skin. In fact, I've been using it kind of after my workouts. That way I can kind of relieve the tension and the soreness that I have. It's been known basically to help with inflammation. And let me talk about next how it actually felt on. So when I first put it on, again, it kind of smooth like butter. It reminded me of all my other shea butter. So I like that. The smell was not overpowering. So some things that I've used in the past for pain management, they were so strong, it made my eyes water. This did not make my eyes water. So that's something to take note of. As soon as I put it on, I was like literally waiting for the first couple of times to feel something. I didn't notice anything right away. Maybe around, I say 10 minutes later, I felt like a little itch. So I kind of like itched that spot, and then it was kind of like more of a tingly, not even an itch. It just made me aware that, hey, oh yeah, I did put that stuff here, you know? And the pain that I was feeling, the soreness in my legs after doing the Peloton, like after cycling and after running for that week, it was there. However, just noticed like the pain kind of dissipated. So it was still there in the background, but it wasn't as strong. This stuff, I use it. My fiance, she likes it. She does a lot with her back and her back workouts. So I go ahead and use it to massage her, and she really adores how it feels. She loves the way that it penetrates, and she did experience the same thing I experienced. At first, she was like, girl, I don't feel nothing. And because, you know, we never used CBD before. So we're trying to figure out, like, is this something you feel right away? Is this something you feel later? And she felt something more like 30 minutes later. So when we first put it on, it's kind of like cooling, but that's probably because the eucalyptus oil. As far as feeling how it is with your body, with your soreness, it takes a couple applications, and you want to keep using it often as you can, because honestly, this is a little jar, but a little goes a long way. Like, you guys saw how much I put on, and a little bit, it went a long way. Okay. So I think it's definitely worth the value. And of course, you can look down below. I'm gonna give you a coupon code. I believe it's Crystal, and you'll save 25% off. So that was the first product up for my self-care. And now we're gonna go ahead over to skincare. So with my skincare, I use a couple of different things, but right now we're gonna focus on Urban Skincare. I do use them daily. When I use them in the morning, I use it for these cleansing bar. So this is a cleansing bar. They have different formulas. I have combination to oily skin. So for me, I like to use the orange one, but this one also works. This is the vitamin C bar, and honestly, it makes my skin feel refreshed, and it's really easy. You simply use a sponge, you get it wet, you lather it up, and you wash your face. The reason why I love this one so much is because it's easy to carry around when I travel, and then also because of the sponge. I love how it's like an exfoliator at the same time as just a face cleanser. It also works as a mask, so if you leave it on your face, it's going to be like a mask. When I do that, it does start to tingle and starts to burn just a tad bit, so I don't leave it on past like 2 or 3 minutes. But again, this is something that I usually do in a shower, very easy. I wash my face, and then afterwards I use an oil. So this is, I have 2 oils that I use. I'm going to show you both. I don't always necessarily use them all at the same time. If you want a full skincare routine, y'all, let me know. I got one for the daytime. I have one for nighttime. And I even have one for if I actually leave the house or if I'm staying indoors. Right here is all about vitamin C. It's really recommended to use in the mornings. What it's going to do is keep your skin bright, help any kind of skin unevenness that you have. And it's just overall good for you. So if you don't know about vitamin C, definitely check into that for skincare. Now this next oil I absolutely love. This is rose hip oil, and this stuff has been around for ages. I love this one so much because it makes my skin look so hydrated. I'm showing you right now without any makeup on. This is what I've been using. I think my skin looks great. It's only going to get better. I'm drinking my water. I'm taking my supplements, which we'll talk about in a minute. And I'm using this oil. So one thing I love now, as you can see with my makeup on, I love how it sits underneath of my makeup. So now I do add this oil into my skincare when I do my makeup. After I do my whole skincare routine, I go ahead and put on this oil. I let it sit in my skin for a while, and then I put on my primer and then the rest of my makeup. And I think it gives me like a dewy look. You can even mix this in directly with your foundation. It just depends on what you're going for. But yes, the last thing is sunscreen. I just started using sunscreen about 2 summers ago. Again, I know I'm late, but I never really believed that I needed to use sunscreen because I have deeper skin. But y'all, you need to research it. If you are a woman of color, if you have any melanin, you still need sunscreen. You need to protect yourself, especially as we're aging, from the sun, from fine lines, from wrinkles, like all of that good stuff. Sunblock is the newest thing that Urban Skincare has released. They have been working on this product for over 10 years. This is mineral based, and long story short, I've used it going for runs outside. I haven't used it out in the weather or elements like a beach setting yet or a pool setting, but only going for a run, and I liked it. It gave me a really small white cast, which it isn't supposed to do, but I also do believe I put too much on because a little bit does go a long way and I didn't fully rub it in. So this is just really a brief review. I'm going to go ahead and do a full one if you guys want. If you don't care about skincare, then I won't. But if you do care about skincare, let me know and I will record the video for you. And last but certainly not least, we have the supplements I've been using, which yay, is Keto Pinkprint. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you already know about this, but for my YouTube Diva Dolls, I want y'all to know I have been on keto. I've came out last year sometime with an ebook and a cookbook, and today I am now sharing with you guys all about my supplement line. It's something I've been using for the past month and a half. I've seen crazy results. It's been a year and a half in the making, but I wanted to use it and show you guys before and afters, which I'll be sharing on my fitness channel. The first thing are the keto drops. These keto drops I use every single day. They help me stay in ketosis. They help me feel really energized. Like I get a boost, like this jolt of energy, y'all, and it's amazing. And then I also love it because it helps me control my cravings and control my appetite. So it's made with natural ingredients. It's made in the US, FDA facility. Like it's legit, y'all. I took my time with this. It's been like a year and a half. I've been working on these supplements. So I'm only going to put out there what I believe in and literally what I use. Next, I use the Keto Slim. The Keto Slim comes in a capsule form. And a pretty cool thing about these is that you can open them up and put them inside of your smoothie if you didn't want to take them whole. So the reason you want these is because it's going to kill your appetite. It's going to keep you from overeating, and it gives you also really good energy where you don't feel jittery at all. In the past, I have shared on my fitness channel, I have tried everything before, including like Phetermine pills, and those things made me feel crazy. They made me feel dehydrated, and I just didn't like the feeling. Yes, these Keto Slim supplements are the truth, y'all. Like they help you burn the fat. They help you boost your metabolism. They do not make you have jitters. You can take them regular like or put them in your smoothie. Like these things are pretty good. They're natural. I know you're going to wonder when you can order them. Make sure you sign up for my email or my text list because right now they're not available. However, they will be available soon. Right now, they're only available to a select group. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have 20 women who are taking these supplements. We're doing a challenge together because I want to have real results. I can tell y'all all day how they work, but I want other people to show y'all the results and tell you how they work. And yeah, you'll know very soon when you can buy them your own self. Last thing on the list is MCT oil. MCT oil is a staple for a keto diet. If you are doing a ketogenic lifestyle, you need to make sure you're getting in healthy fats. You can't get any more healthy than fats from coconuts, okay? So this capsule is directly from coconuts. It's going to help you with amazing energy, help your good cholesterol increase and your bad cholesterol decrease, as well as help you with your mental clarity and your focus, okay? For those who are wondering, I still do offer the keto ebook. The Keto Pinkprint has everything you need to know to be successful on your ketogenic lifestyle. If you don't know what keto is, if you don't know how to start it, if you don't know what to eat, what not to eat, don't worry, girl. I got you covered. There's 70 pages on here. There's over 70 pages of information on how to calculate what to eat, when to eat it, and how much to eat. Like I am hooking y'all up. Okay, so all of that is available. Just check out my website, ketopinkprint.com, and yeah, check the link. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Let me know. Did you like this kind of video? Should I do more? If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. leave a comment down below. Let your girl know that you like this kind of content. Also, I want to know, have you tried any CBD ointments before or any kind of topicals or anything like that? This brand is my first time trying it, and honestly, I like it. I love that it's natural. I love that it's non-GMO, and honestly, I like how it made me feel. I can't complain. It's better than walking around smelling like an old guy, like I mentioned. But any of these products, if you want to try, look down below. I will find a coupon code. I know for sure I can save you 25% from Premium Jane. Just use coupon code Crystal. As far as Urban Skincare, sign up for their discounts, and of course, for my own company. Go ahead, sign up for the email list and the text list. That way you guys get first dibs on restocks as well as a special treat. Make sure if you're not following me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok that you do that. And my name is @ChrissyTheDoll. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness channels. I'll be updating that pretty soon with my keto journey. Also, my vlog channel. I have so many videos on there of my past vlogs. I would love for you guys to get to know me a little bit better. And this is something new to my channel. I hope you dolls enjoyed it. In fact, if you have a small business or if you have a product you want me to try, I'd be more than happy to review it for you. Go ahead and look down below. Look for the email. I will put it there for any kind of promos or collabs or anything like that. So I'm here to be a resource. I'm also here to help you thrive and feel good and look good. So I just want to say thank y'all for always rocking with your girl. And of course, as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.